In this video, we check availability of delivery slots across multiple UK supermarkets simultaneously. Hello everyone and welcome to TechFix Flicks. Finding UK supermarket delivery slots is currently competitive, difficult and time consuming. Rather than searching each supermarket individually, Startup Venture Shopping Slot searches multiple leading stores delivering to your area at once, removing the need to repeatedly check and refresh individual sites. We begin by heading to shoppingslot.co.uk and be aware that the address doesn't begin with the traditional www, which will take you in the wrong direction. We need to tick I'm not a robot, with a view to ensuring that any automated system attempting to capture slots will be prevented from doing so, discouraging any attempt to profiteer from using automated systems. We now simply enter our postcode in the search field, which is essential to restrict the check to those services which deliver to our address. With that information entered, we click Start Search. The search is said to take no longer than 2 minutes, and we found it to be significantly quicker than that. Once the search is complete, the results screen is shown and we need to scroll down to see the results. Given the recent surge in demand, slots will often be unavailable. However, in this instance we scroll down further to see that Iceland have multiple slots available, and clicking a slot takes us directly to the relevant website. At this point, we need to follow the slot booking process for the individual supermarket, and it's important to note that we've simply identified an available slot and now need to take the required action in order to book it. Shopping Slot emphasises that the service it provides is free and everything covered in this tutorial is achieved without payment. We've already seen that multiple supermarkets are covered, although this was predominantly focused upon Tesco, Asda, Iceland and Waitrose. We also saw Sainsbury's in our testing. It's also stated that this is a startup company, so we shouldn't expect a fully comprehensive service at this stage. There are also some understandable restrictions, in that holding, reserving, prioritising and creating slots is a function of the supermarkets themselves, over which Shopping Slot has no control. Also, given the competitive market for delivery slots, there's no guarantee that any slot we find will remain unfilled for long, and it's your responsibility to book that slot with the individual supermarket. Whilst the features we show in this tutorial are free, Shopping Slot also offer a subscription-based newsletter at a cost of £3.99 per month, offering the option to receive emails when slots become available in your area. Here are the benefits of subscription, although there's no obligation to subscribe if, like us, you're purely using the search facility. Also worth noting is that some instances indicate that delivery will be fulfilled via Shift, and this is very clearly indicated in 2 places within the search boxes. We weren't familiar with Shift, and looking into it reveals it to be another subscription service, this time attracting a weekly fee of £8. Where Shift isn't identified as providing delivery, this indicates direct delivery by the supermarket. A pro tip here is to register in advance with each supermarket providing deliveries in your area which you might wish to use, even if that means occasionally switching loyalties to a new provider. This way you'll maximise your potential for securing a delivery, and by registering in advance you can move to book a slot far more quickly than if you need to complete an initial registration, as the time taken to do this might mean that you miss out on a slot. In the written description accompanying this video, we've provided direct links to registration pages for Asda, Iceland, Sainsbury's, Tesco and Waitrose. Additionally, and in the interests of balance, we've also provided links to registration pages for supermarkets who deliver but appear not to be listed via Shopping Slot at the time of this video's publication, including M&S, Morrisons and Amazon Fresh. Whilst you'll need to specifically search these sites individually for their deliveries, this will offer additional options not currently covered by Shopping Slot. If this is your first visit to TechFix Flicks, be sure to check out our back catalogue, in which we undertake tech projects and fixes across all major platforms, and subscribe for future projects. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you found it useful, please consider subscribing by clicking the logo on screen now. If you'd like to see more, there are 2 suggestions currently on screen. If you have a better, faster or more economical solution, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. You're also welcome to follow us on Twitter. Until your next tech fix, goodbye.